Let's see how to enroll a patient. So we click in Create and Search, Patient Enrollment. We enter the initials, gender, date of birth. With another click, it becomes easier to select the year without moving backward many times. Save and add consent. We have three possibilities for consent at enrollment. The first consent that we enter. Present, it's actually what used to be called consent given. Absent, awaiting, is what used to be called consent unknown. And absent, documented refusal, it's what used to be called consent refused. So as an example, we enter consent status present, enter the consent date, a comment if any. We save and continue, and now we add the transplantation that actually caused the patient to be enrolled. We enter the SOAS case ID, the listing date, the healthcare provider. We assume that is also the provider of the transplantation, therefore of the procedure, and that is the center in charge of care. There is no other additional healthcare provider for this case, and we select a donor from the list via SOAS ID, because the donor, our hypothesis that it was already enrolled, registered in the past into the system. And now we associate the transplanted organ and now we can see that the system created the forms ready for data collection. So we can see the assessment date, the calculated assessment period in months, patient baseline, PSQL at baseline, organ baselines, donor, clinical related data, transplantation related data, and samples.